Now it is.
No, don't ask you later.
They're gonna be out here in a minute walking on the sound. What's today?
My birthday.
How old are you?
50 something. 50 plus.
50.
50 plus.
2013. Where are we?
I don't know. Where are we?
You do know.
Yeah. What's it called again?
Hunting.
Huntington Beach.
Woo!
You walk backwards.
Auntie's gonna have fun here. Hopefully it's warm when she comes. Why? Shoot. I ain't got time for that.
I like the way the water's glistening over here. I like the way the water's glistening.
You three. Get your working out. You're gonna be wanting to go to sleep in a minute. You know the beach always makes people fatigué.
Fatigué?
Yeah. Sleepy. I thought you wanted me in front of you. Yet you keep on running like you think I'm about to run.
No, all kind of ways.
Ah, okay. All the waves. That's what I wanted to see. The salty sea air. Look at this world, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl? The girl who has everything. Mom, do a cartwheel. I know. I've got who's it's and what's it's aplenty. What are you about to do? Go dip your feet in. I'm not. Enjoy, little boy. So I'm gonna put my feet in there. Ice cold. Cold? Cold? I know. That's why this is where I stop. I'm zooming in. Are you serious? What did you think? What did you think was about that? You better come on. I didn't expect that. You got stuck. I know. Is it cold? Unbearable. Yes, it is. Anytime I come up and get you. Not a problem. Not a problem. Are you ready? Yeah. Pull him up higher. Higher. You better get over here.
You better get up here. I did a close-up on your butt when you're going. I didn't see it myself. I was too busy trying to zoom in and out on the twerking.
My pastor's work.
That's where we lived for 2 days.
Hey, at least our feet are getting exfoliated.
Oh, I know. That is good.
Good. You bet.
Yep.
I feel like something was in my pocket. Oh, my phone.
No, I didn't. Watch out! Sorry.
I'ma be good. You better be it.
No. That's good. Not for these.
You hate